Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to install Deepl Edge Extension. So simply the first thing that you will need is to go to extensions as you can see here. And now as you can see, you can literally just use the extension by Chrome itself, or you can use the Microsoft Edge add-ons. So you do have both methods. So here for example, you can literally just go and search for Deepl as you can see here and go for the first one, and here simply just go ahead and choose the first link. So I'm going to click on this one and then click on install, add extension, and wait for it to be installed on your PC. It's very simple. It's going to take a few seconds. So once it is installed, as you can see, you can now view the extension by clicking on it. As you can see now, this extension is allowed, and by clicking on it you'll be seeing this page here. But first you need to actually log into your account so you can have the full features. So make sure to simply either click on login in case you had an account or sign up. You could click on skip, then click on next, next, next. And as you can see now, the actual extension is now right over here. So whenever you find the text, for example, this one here, we can click on it and basically can choose to translate the selected text from here, as you can see. And this should help you to translate the text from a language to another, depending on which language you want. For example, here I'm going to choose French. And you can choose, for example, here either to translate via screenshot, translate text, and basically, as you can see, it's already in French, so that makes sense. But let me just copy it here and choose English, and you can paste it. And as you can see, the text is gonna be translated into English. It's very easy and simple, guys. It's a very good tool to have, especially when you're reading articles or making your own articles. So yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.